When you write a blog post on your website, in order for it to rank and be visible on Google when people search something or when they search on ChatGPT, it has to be indexed. In other words, Google has to know about it. You have to sometimes take the URL and ask Google to index your page. So you have to do it manually. It also happens automatically, but it takes longer. So if you want to do it really quickly and manually, I'm going to show you how to do it. Super simple. You're welcome. Go to your blog post, copy the URL if you want to double check or index, and then you go to Google Search Console. You click on Insights, you paste the URL, and then it's going to check it, and then it's going to tell you whether it's on Google or not. And if it's not indexed, you just click on Request Indexing. Your blog post is going to be there in a couple of days. For me, it was super quick. I think it was next day, which was great. If you found this video helpful, use the thanks button to say thank you. And I'll see you next time.